Well, thank you so much for making into the session today. I understand it's Sunday evening, but definitely I'm not going to bore you. Okay. So in fact, I'm also not going to talk to you or technical things, but this is something which talk about one of the social networking platform. Okay. Let's see what we can take away from this session. First of all, we'll talk about LinkedIn. We'll talk about LinkedIn. Okay. So we'll talk about LinkedIn today. When I say LinkedIn, maybe some of you know, some of you may be hearing for the first time. Some of you, okay, fine, we know that it's one of the platform, but we don't know what we can do, correct? Now, we'll talk about LinkedIn today. What is the use of LinkedIn? What you can benefit from LinkedIn? Who can use LinkedIn? Every single topic we'll discuss today. Okay, so let's make this session a bit interactive. Now, before I get started, the last thing which you do before going to the bed is Instagram. Am I correct? The last thing before going to the bed, you watch Instagram reels or maybe Facebook or even YouTube, right? Now, very honestly, I'm asking, very honestly, touch your heart and tell me, how many of you before going to sleep see LinkedIn and sleep? Is there anyone? I do that. Is anyone with me? Is
I
Yes,
do.
anyone
Santosh.
with me?
Yes, Santosh.
Yes, nowadays I'm doing.
Nowadays you're doing, okay? I can hear only 4-5 voices. I think the rest of the 45 people in this batch, I say that before going to the sleep, you're watching Instagram reels. Agree? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
No,
Okay. Okay.
for, for me, it's LinkedIn.
Okay. So let's see what is the average time spent on Instagram. Okay, you can actually get this. Okay, you go to Instagram and on the there is a setting tab. In the setting tab, you can see how much time you have like wasted. I can say wasted. Okay, how much time you have wasted on LinkedIn? Sorry, Instagram. We can see that it's 45 minutes. It's just an average time. Okay, so one person could have watched 5 minutes, one person could have watched 1 hour. So if we take an average, it becomes like 45 minutes, right? So the average time spent on Instagram is 45 minutes. Now tell me, what do you get from Instagram? What do you get from Instagram? Unless and until you're a content writer, unless and until you generate reels, unless and until you post something and make money, okay, I'm okay. But if you're not making a single rupee from Instagram, let's ask this question. Is there anyone who's making money from Instagram? Is there anyone in this batch who is making money from Instagram? Anyone? By putting your content, it could be reels, it could be post, it could be pictures, it could be anything. Is there anyone making?
No.
Not even a
No,
single person?
no.
Surprising. How come? Then how come you're spending 45 minutes? Spending 45 minutes and not even generating 45 paisa? What is this? Then why Instagram? Then why Instagram? What do you get from Instagram? If you're not making money from Instagram, what are you doing in Instagram? Or maybe Facebook? What are you doing? Okay. Second question. What is the average time spent on LinkedIn, which can be a game changer for your career? What is the average time spent on LinkedIn, which can be your game changing for your career is 8 minutes. 8 minutes. See the ratio. 45 minutes on reels post, 8 minutes on a platform which is going to provide you job opportunities. And I can strictly say you that majority of the people who have joined today are belonging to the group 1. 5 minutes if you get, you go and watch reels. But let's change the trend. 5 minutes if you get, I want you to use LinkedIn. In short, I can say that your LinkedIn is going to be like a new Instagram and new Facebook. Let's start using that. Right? A person with the Instagram, there is one, I think there is one tick mark after your name in Instagram. What do you mean by that? Once you create an Instagram account, after some, I don't know, I've seen a lot of celebrities, heroines, all these people, there is one tick mark on next to their name. What do you mean by that?
Verified account.
Verified account, right? A verified account. Let me tell you, you may have 1,000 followers or 10K followers in Instagram, which is equivalent to 500 followers on LinkedIn. For you people, if you are not making money from Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, whatever it is, there is no point in spending and wasting time. Let's stick on to LinkedIn. Let's figure out what LinkedIn can do for us. Let me tell you, if you start using LinkedIn to the maximum that what you can every day, like if you can spend 30-40 minutes, I can guarantee you that in the next 30 days, you will get opportunities. Okay, blindly believe this, because when I'm saying this statement, I'm not just saying for namesake. I have done research. I have been using Instagram, so I know what we can do with LinkedIn. I have been using LinkedIn. I know what we can do with LinkedIn. So I can tell you blindly, believe it. There is something which you can make yourself a branded employee. You know many technologies, but what do you do if you cannot showcase? If you cannot showcase, right? You know X, you know Y, you know Z, you know SQL, you know Python, you know data science, you know data engineering, you know Power BI, you know Tableau, you know AngularJS, you know Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. What is the proof? Where have you branded yourself? Where is the proof? I'm running a small scale industry at my home. But does anyone know it? No. Unless and until I bring to outside, unless and until I bring to market, people doesn't know who is Santosh. If KSR does not have Instagram account, LinkedIn account, or even a YouTube, will you get to know? Definitely no, right? Now, it's time for us to switch gears. Let's move on to a tool which is going to definitely help us in branding ourselves, right? There was an advertisement, if you see, right? What is this advertisement? There is a product, and on top of that product, they're advertising it, right? You people know. Before going to job, you should also know about the company. What is this company? What they're doing? A simple headphone, okay? A simple headphone. If you have your headphone, which is maybe maximum 500 rupees, 600 rupees, imagine it is damaged. In order to buy the headphone, you're looking for brand. You're going and researching about the company, whether Boat is good or Sony is good. Just 500 rupees headphone you're researching. And when you join a company, don't you want to know about the company? Don't you want to know about the people? Don't you want to know about what they are doing? Now, all in one place is LinkedIn. Okay. From today, just now we have finished the festival. From today, just have a O in yourself. Every day, any point, I am going to use LinkedIn for minimum 15-20 minutes. That should be our target. Start following, start scrolling, everything I'm going to explain today, but make a O of yourself. Yes, from today, I'm not saying stop using Instagram, okay? That's one thing which you can still use it as a stress buster. Instagram is a stress buster, okay? You go, you watch reels, you feel good, you get the dopamine, you sleep, all good. But when you're looking at your career is more important than anything else. A lot of my friends who are making money from Instagram, I'll say them, hey, you please don't use LinkedIn. That's what I say. Because for them, they're making money. But what you people are doing? right? If you're not making money from any tool, just skip that. Now let's get into this LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn is a platform where all the professionals you will find it. Facebook was not like that. Instagram was not like that. Even you can see my mom is in Instagram, my father is in Instagram, my grandparents are in Instagram. But if you see LinkedIn, not everyone will have LinkedIn. Only the professionals, working professionals. When I say working professionals, it could be like right from a teacher to a student, whoever is working in Google, whoever is working in a small company, everyone will be there. So it is highly recommended for professions. Okay, if you are a student, if you are a teacher, if you are looking for a job, if you are hiring, if you're working in any company, if you're looking for to get into a company, first thing is have LinkedIn account. LinkedIn account is must. Very easy. Just go open your Gmail, sign in with LinkedIn. As simple as that. Okay, now let's see, why do we need that? Why do we need that? One of the best way to get job is start your networking. Networking is the only way which can get you a job even when the market is down. There is no hiring. A lot of companies are doing layoff, right? Whatever happens in the market, I don't know whether you people know it or not. Every company has an attrition rate of 20% average. What do you mean by attrition rate? People leaving the company is 20%. One will say I have a health issue, so I'm going off. One will say I'm done with IT, I'm going off. One will say no, I cannot handle the stress, I'm going off. One will say I have another opportunity, I'm going off. The attrition rate in every company is 15 to 20%. Even though the companies don't have projects, they have to still fill the seats, vacancies where people have left. Where will they go and find? Where will they go and find? Imagine in KSR, we are not hiring. Imagine in KSR, we are not hiring. Okay, everything is stable. What if suddenly something happens to me? Are they going to block the course? Definitely no. KSR will look for a replacement. KSR will definitely look for a replacement. Now that is where I'm saying every company, the attrition rate is 15 to 20%. Now where will companies go and get the people? Well, LinkedIn is one of the platform where HRs are using on daily basis. So start building your network. Doesn't matter whether you have 100K or 1000K, doesn't matter in your Instagram or Facebook. What really matters now is the power of LinkedIn now, right? Start using LinkedIn. If you're a student, use it. If you're a teacher, use it. If you're working professional, use it. If you are working in some other professional, use it, right? Even Narendra Modi is in LinkedIn. Do you know that? Do you know that? Yes?
Yes.
Then what is your problem to create one account? What is your problem? He's not working in IT. He's not working in any professional. But why does he have? Now, the second use of LinkedIn is you can get your job. Okay, LinkedIn is the only place where you can apply some product-based companies. You can get a grip of a lot of good companies, right? And today, when I say Santosh, I need to have a brand. When I say KSR, we need to have a brand. Now, LinkedIn is one such tool that can help you to build your own brand, right? And most importantly, the more and more people are using LinkedIn, you will see a lot of learnings. Some people will post interview questions, some people will post some experience, right? So all this you can see here. And finally, you can get to know about people, you can get to know about the company. That is the main reason. Okay, now with this, I'll just open LinkedIn. I'll just open my LinkedIn. Okay, so this is my LinkedIn. Aha, see the coincidence. See the coincidence. Can anyone read this very loudly? It's a coincidence. I just opened my LinkedIn and I can see this. What is this?
Bengaluru Bank 54 LCA job to write on LinkedIn.
54 lakhs package he has quitted to write on LinkedIn. See, this has not been planned, okay? There's something which is a coincidence. I open the LinkedIn and you can see the post. He said that he wanted to pursue his passion of writing instead of corporate. Right? Now, this is LinkedIn. Just like what you see in Facebook, here also you can see here, right? Here also you can see here. You'll see lot of things. You'll see lot of things. Lot of people sharing if they have got promoted, if you have joined the company. See here. Core Power BI interview questions for data analytics. I don't know how many of you are here to looking for a Power BI job. Here is the LinkedIn for you. LinkedIn post for you. This guy, I don't know, but he has given all the questions. What is a Power BI gateway, when it is used? What is the question and answer features? I can say that it has almost 30 questions. It has 30 questions. And this person has taken initiative to post on the LinkedIn means he has experienced this. He has experienced this. If you want interview questions, go and get it here. See how they have posted. Right? Now, let's go down. Okay. Let's say this person has got as a position as data engineer in Tech Mahindra. Now what you can do, go to Tech Mahindra. Go to Tech Mahindra. See if they have any openings. Click the Tech Mahindra company. Now, if you see the Tech Mahindra company, you can see what is a Tech Mahindra company is all about. Tech Mahindra offers technology consulting digital solutions to this global enterprise. Just read everything. Just read everything. And you can go to about. Okay, what is the employee count, everything, where is the headquarters, everything you can get to know, what they're good at, everything you can get to know, right? Just go for some post. This is a company's post. So company, I think they have some new campus or someone has visited, they have posted here 2 days back. This is a post that they have done, right? And in case they are recognized as a brand, they will also go and post it. And let's go for job. See here. How many jobs you have? See here. ETL developer, data engineer, big data engineer, tech lead, SAP. Tech Mahindra has 847 posted jobs. It's not one, it's not two, it's 847 jobs. If you want to see all, click here. See here. Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Tech Mahindra. Project lead, Singapore. Go here. You will see lot. Business analyst, .NET developer, Azure, delivery manager, customer support. Even customer support, you get a job here. Right? Now, that's where you can get to know about the company. Right? See, I've just clicked, a person has got a position as a data engineer. I've just clicked the company name. Right? See here. SQL question. Inner join and outer join. Varchar and nvarchar. Primary key and unique key. Temporary table. View and materialized view. Stored positions functions. And this is even more good because it comes with an answer. It comes with an answer. The time you spend on LinkedIn is directly proportional to your success. One line statement. If you want to have a very good career, start spending more time on your LinkedIn. Okay, now, before I go forward, I would say that please create your profile. Okay, please create a profile. Just like what you can have in the background. Okay, you can attach some image and you can put your photo as well. And please tell them what you know. You can mention that. Okay, and you can also have your contact information. So LinkedIn is where you can, HRs can reach out to you directly. So please mention that. Okay, when you come down, you can also mention your experience, where you have worked, what your current role, everything you can mention it. Followed by, you can also mention like where is your, I mean, which college or which school, wherever you studied, please mention that. Okay, wherever you have studied, just mention that. That is about education. Okay, and you can also mention whatever the skills you know. Let's say, for example, you know data analytics, data science, you can mention all this. Okay, you can mention all the skills which you know, right? So make your profile impressive, attractive, whatever you have done, post it here. Okay, now let's say, for example, once you get this profile implemented, it's very easy, straightforward. Start adding your picture, start adding your content, everything start adding here. Okay, so this is a home page for us. This is a home page for us. And once you have a home page, next go to the network. Go to the my network. See, I don't know who these people are, but they've sent me a request. They've sent me a request. This is not a Facebook to see your face and approve it. Okay, this is not a Facebook to see your photo and then accept your request. It's going to be a professional platform. So I don't know who is this person, but still I know that there are 6 to 7 mutual connections we have. I'll accept it. I'll accept it. I'll accept it. And I'll accept it. Okay, so similarly, I don't know these people are who they are. I don't know these people who they are, but I will go and connect with them. Do you think they're going to reject me? Definitely no. Start sending requests to as many people as you like. And the more and more you connect with them, whatever they post, you're going to get that information. You're going to get that information. Whatever they post, you're going to get. Whether it could be job opportunities, or it could be an interview question, or it could be any useful information. Every single information what they post is going to apply on your news feed. It's going to come on the news feed. Okay, just request it. Just request it. You need not know them. You need not know them. Just accept it. Just they'll accept it. Okay, and wherever you have a mutual connections, definitely they'll accept it. See, people you may know based on your recent activities. I don't know, but still I'll connect with them. You have some limit, I think. You cannot send requests to more people, but on a daily basis you can send it. Okay, so this is in terms of networking. In the networking, people may also send you requests. You may also send a request to people. Okay, so there is nothing like you have to connect to a known people. Start sending requests to as many as people you want, because more and more you build the connection, you will have more visibility. Okay, now not only this, if you're looking for specific people, okay, in that case you can also look for HRs. For example, HR managers. More than you requesting to people whom you know, whom you don't know, you can send requests to this set of people. HRs, HR managers. Connect with them. Okay, connect with them. You can see lot of HR managers will be there, because these are the people who are actually going to look for a job. I mean, they're going to hire. See, let's say, for example, I don't know this HR. Okay, I don't know this HR. Now I'll open their profile. Okay, I will follow them. So going forward, whatever this HR is going to post, I'm going to get the response. Now let's see what they have posted. Come down. Let's see their post. Let's see the post. See all post. Go here and see here what they have done. We are hiring React Native developer, experience 3+. Just go and click this. You'll be able to apply. Just go and click this. Right? We are looking for HR recruiter for Hyderabad location. Just go and click this. I'm hiring for the following roles, and you can see that Angular plus Java and senior developer. And if you're a fresher, see this. What opportunity you need other than this? If you are a 2022, 23 pass out graduate, you can apply here. Just 50% of your percentage can get you job. If you are complaining that I am not getting as a job as a fresher, if you have not done this, you have not done this. I am just showing an example of one HR. I'm just showing one example, right? I am hiring Java profiles, .NET profiles, immediate job, again Java, experience 4 to 10, QA, Python developer, web developer, .NET developer. And still, I don't know why you people are complaining that I'm not getting calls, I'm not getting opportunity if you have not explored LinkedIn, right? I'm just showing an example of one HR. I'm just showing an example of one HR. Now let me see another HR. Let me see another HR. If you see another HR, and let's go to all the posts what they have posted. Some video on the teamwork and some excitement on the new branch. See, we are hiring application solution architect, and that too not in India, it's outside India. And let's say I'll open this HR now. This HR has posted something and that HR actually tagged it. Now let's go and see all the posts. We are hiring software engineer. We are hiring DevOps engineer. We are hiring data scientists and data engineers. I don't know how many of you are here data scientists, how many of you are data engineers. If you are looking for opportunities, just follow them. Whatever request you send, whatever they post it, you will get it. Right? Now, you'll see a lot of motivations as well. You'll see a lot of difference, lot of motivations, everything you'll see. See again, Power BI scenario-based question. Scenario-based question. And if you start following, he is actually having a practice of, he is publishing on day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. And today is a day 6. Maybe coincidence, I've got this person. Now I have started following. He will approve it. Now I'll go to this person. He is a business and data analyst. Okay. And he's calling himself as a data magician. Right? And by seeing his post, I can clearly tell you one thing. He has a passion of working with data. I can see his. Okay. Now let's go and see what the post he has posted. Let's go and see what is the post he has posted. Go here. Go and see all the post. See here. Scenario based. Top 11 difference between in Power BI, you must know. Slices versus filter, union versus union all, row context filter, drill down, drill through, tile, dashboard report, append and merge, duplicate reference. If you are a BI developer, and see, this is again a Power BI scenario based question, day 5. If I want to start learning data analytics, here is a roadmap. Learn SQL, learn Excel, learn BI tools. And he has also posted some documents here. Interview questions. Explain query folding. Explain what is a SWAR function. Year to date. I can only say that you need time to do this. Right? If I start spending time for the next 1 hour, I can clearly say that I can get almost 400 connections. The more and more you get connected, more and more useful information you will get it. This is called personal branding. The person who I'm showing you, I really don't know what is working, but this is what personal branding. If you have a profile like this, forget about other things. The first thing, your profile will get shortlisted and HRs will reach out to you. What else you need? It's not anything like magic. It's just making use of the right platform. Right? So the first thing what you do is create your profile. Create your profile. Right? Once you create the profile, go to the networking. Start sending the request whomever you know, and whomever you don't know also start requesting. Right? Do that. And whoever sends you request also approve it. Now this is what you can do as a first initial 2 taps. And the more and more you connect with the people, you will get a lot of content. You will get a lot of content. Right? See, again, one more interview question. Read the content. Okay, so before I go to the next job section, I just want to give a 2 minutes break. Just tell me if you have any questions on this. So far, what we have covered, any questions? I can see a couple of raising your hands. Any questions? Any questions, anyone? Any questions, anyone?
Hello,
Yes, go ahead.
hi Santosh.
Yes.
I had a doubt. I'm keeping as a fake for the fake. Can I keep the LTM entry for this?
You can keep whatever you want. They are not going to do any background check. This is just a platform where you are portraying that yes, I am this person, I have this much of experience, I have worked in this. So there is nothing called fake, there is nothing called real. It's just like your profile. It's just like a profile. So don't think too much on all this. Whatever you know, whatever you have connected, send it. They're not coming to your office and seeing whether you are belonging to this office or not. It's a platform. It's a social platform where people can interact with each other. So don't think too much on all this real experience, fake experience. Just keep that aside. You're talking about personal branding. What you know, what you can do, what you can follow, what you can go through it. Just start applying.
Santosh, I have two quick questions. One is, do you believe that if I'm looking for a job, should I be taking advantage of LinkedIn Premium? That's my question number one. And the question number two is, when somebody comes to my profile, like a lot of people would read my profile. So in the settings, some people say that like if you don't want to, whatever updates I'm making, I don't want to show that people are like I don't want to show my particular company that I'm applying. So other than that, everybody can join in. Also, the other thing I want to do in settings is I don't want to if somebody comes to my profile, they also show to him people you may like there may be other people whom you may know, or if you are looking at this profile similar to these profiles, they will show other profiles. So why don't I go to the settings and turn off the setting where it says, so that they can stick to my profile instead of going to everybody else's later on? What do you think about it?
Just tell me one question. Okay, just answer me one question. LinkedIn is for visibility. Give me one reason why you want to hide yourself to your present company. What they're going to do? Just because you have posted something, are they going to fire you? Just because you have posted something, you have no extra skill, are they going to throw you out? What is the need that you have to hide it from your current company? What they're going to do? It's just a platform. Just like you have an Instagram phone, you have your Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, you have a LinkedIn. What bothers you to go and hide it? What is the need?
Because some people have got some companies have a policy where you can or cannot post certain things on LinkedIn. Some managers, not everybody, but some managers are very
I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Your LinkedIn platform doesn't have any restriction. You work anywhere, you have right to post. There is no restriction. Maybe you cannot talk about other companies, or you may not talk against other companies. That is something restricted, but you have your own rights. You can post whatever content you want. This is the best place where you can prepare your content. Maybe related to politics or some against another country or another person, any those type of things, I agree we should not do it. But you have all the rights to post if you're working in any company. Just a basic, like you can post some questions, you can post some content, you can say this is what I had experience, you can talk about some whatever you want, you can talk, but try to keep it within that limit. Don't go to politics, don't argue, don't do that type of things. That's an argument that we can avoid it. But if you are a LinkedIn,
thank you for that feedback, Santosh. That's exactly what I was mentioning. Thank you.
yeah, any other questions before we go on to the next topic? Are we good?
Oh, for example, I have
Santosh, I had asked about LinkedIn Premium. What do you should we
premium
take?
not required, not required. Okay, not required. It's a bit costly, I would say that. Start using your LinkedIn normal first, get some 10,000 followers, and then you think about premium. Okay, even I have not opted for premium because I'm getting everything in the normal LinkedIn only. Why should I go with premium? So as of now, don't think too much. Just
No,
go and use
because
a normal account. It's more than enough.
got you. So sometimes they say if you have LinkedIn Premium, you can send the in emails to senior people, and because LinkedIn gives you certain credits for the
See,
in mail.
premium will have definitely good features, but day one, don't opt for premium. Use your LinkedIn effectively for the 6 months. Then you can see the comparison between the premium and the normal, then opt for it.
Thank you, Santosh.
Santosh,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Okay.
Suppose I'm working in a medium level company. Suppose if I complete the course as data engineer, so if I show as working in the same company as data engineer, so will there be a problem because other colleagues or managers will be in the same LinkedIn, because I have already have a profile in a LinkedIn. So how to update my profile?
Have you not learned and you have just put it, or have you learned and have you put it?
No, I currently I have not updated as a updated my profile as a data engineer. So if
No, I see. I understand that you are not a data engineer, but
yes,
you're going to update it as data engineer. Okay. Before updating as a data engineer, you're just going to update as a data engineer, or you're going to learn and update it.
I'm going to learn and update it.
Then you're 100 times better than your other people who are in your group, right? They don't know that also, right? Let it be your managers, let it be your colleagues, let it be whoever it is. Okay, if you're fear about what will they think, what will if they do, see, let's say data engineer. What is data engineer? Wherever data is there, even if you're moving a small data from an external to some tool, it's an engineer. It's a data engineer, right? So no one will come and do a background check. Okay, has this person really done a data engineer? No, it's all about you. You have learned it, and that's why you're adding it. You're 100 times and better than who have not learned and who have not put anything. Why are you fear about others? Whatever you posted don't ever think about what your managers will think, what your colleagues will think. Never ever think about that. You have learned it, you have put it. Okay, let it be your managers see it. What is the maximum they can do? What is the maximum you can do? You can tell your managers, yes, I was working in your project. While if they ask, which is not going to happen, 99.9999% your managers will never come and face you and ask, why have you put this? Who is he to ask you? Who is he to ask you? He is a manager only in your office, not for your LinkedIn here. Okay. Just go there and tell, yes, I'm working in your project. In meanwhile, whenever I got a free time, I was exploring your data. I was exploring data engineer concepts. Now I am a data engineer. If you want, you test my skills. Chapter close. Why are you fearing? Add whatever you know. Doesn't ever worry about anyone. It's your own account. It's your own platform. Whatever you know, you update it. Who asks you? Let me tell you very honestly. Okay, I'm working in Microsoft. Okay, I'm working in Microsoft. You can see here. You can see here. Okay, Microsoft. What I've added? No one has ever questioned me till now. See the role. No one has ever questioned me. It's all about how you utilize it. Okay, don't think too much about what other people will think, what my managers will think, what my colleagues will think. Just don't keep that all that aside. It's your profile, it's a platform. Whoever wants, let them create an account and use it to your maximum. Go through the contents, see what is happening in the industries, get to know which company has done layoff. Recently Dell has done the layoff. Just go and see what happened to Dell. Go read about the Dell, why there was a layoff, what was the reason, how many employees were impacted, what they have posted about the company. Go through it. Start seeing the LinkedIn. Many people would have posted interview questions. What is happening in the background? Why there is an what type of job opportunities are there? Everything you can explore. For that, you need an account. Is that clear?
Yes, Santosh. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now, let me go to the next top. Okay. Next topic. There is a tab called jobs. Let me tell you, all of my companies which I worked, I have got the opportunity only through LinkedIn. 95% of the people who get into a product-based and very good companies are through LinkedIn. In India, there is another site called Naukri. Naukri is where when the companies need people, they will go and look for Naukri. LinkedIn is where people who want their dream job, they'll start going applying it. Okay, imagine my dream company is Google. Okay, imagine my dream company is Google. I'll just go here, search Google. I'll search Google. Okay, see, business intelligence engineer, Google, there is an opening. How many of you knew this? There was a Power BI which can still be a requirement to apply in Google. No one has ever known that we can still apply for a Google. And people say that only I5 or what do you say that? IIT people can apply to Google. Nothing like that. See here, you need to have a bachelor degree, 2 years of experience in business intelligence, 2 years of experience in SQL and data visualization, example, Looker, Tableau, Power BI, or anything. Is there anyone who belong to this, who has this qualification? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone in this group had a minimum of 2 years of experience working in Power BI and SQL?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question to you. Why have you not applied for Google? Why have you not applied for Google? You know SQL. You know one of the tool, Looker, Tableau, Power BI, you know this. Just answer me question. Why you have not applied to Google? If you get a job in Google, just imagine you will get a job. You'll get all the benefits. Your entire family would get a benefit. You'll pay a very high package. Just answer me question. Why have you not applied for this role? Can I say the
No.
answer? Because
Not.
you don't know. You don't know how to
Yes.
use LinkedIn. How many of you in this group know SQL, know Power BI, but you don't know how to apply? See, 75, 80 people are there. Most of you know SQL, most of you know Power BI, but why have you not applied? Because you don't know. Because you don't know. Right? Now let's say data engineer. Data engineer. 1 year of experience in any programming language. Okay. 1 year of experience in SQL. 1 year of experience in either Dataflow and Spark. That's it. That's it. Minimum qualification. Google Play. They're asking 6 years in Python, SQL, statistics. Why can't you apply? Let's say your dream company is Amazon. See, Amazon Business Intelligence. Again, they're asking. What they're asking? They're asking SQL, 3 years of experience. You should know SQL, ETL, problem solving. What else is there? Simply go and apply. It will take you to the portal. Apply here. It will ask you to fill the form. Fill it. Log in with your Gmail. Fill the form. Close it. Again, come here. Business analyst. I don't know how many of you are from Telangana. Right? Go here. See what it is required. Not everyone can manage everything. Okay. Not everyone can manage every job description. 1 year of experience. Okay. SQL, ETL, Excel. Okay. Good. Go and apply. Start applying here. You will get to know what this role is all about. Apply it. Should you pay any amount for this application? Then why? What is stopping you to apply for these jobs? If you are applying for any government jobs, or if you are applying any for government application, right? You have to pay for application there. Every application costs you 300 rupees and 500 rupees. What is costing you? What is costing you here? It is costing you 2 minutes of your time. What else is there? Okay, let's go back and imagine that your dream company is Microsoft. Okay, if your dream company is Microsoft, let's say I search Microsoft business and analytics. Just see what you need. Qualification, 5 years of experience, SQL, Python, R. That's it. Go and apply. It will take you to the Microsoft port. It will take you to the Microsoft portal. See here, apply. Last posted on August 16th. Okay, individual contributor. You will get all the details here. Just go and apply. You can apply through your LinkedIn only directly. If I apply, it will be like a duplicate because I come from Microsoft, but you can apply. Apply as a data engineer. You have a data engineer here. See here? I don't know how many of your data engineers. See what they need. Apply it. They need 5 years of experience in data science, software engineering, all this, computer science. Okay. If not this, look for another job. You can also look for specifically with respect to data analytics. If you look for a data analytics, you will get for all the companies. Deloitte, very good company. Siemens, very good company. Honeywell, excellent company. Google, NTT Data, American Express, Flipkart, again Google, second time it's coming. JP Morgan, Citibank. Just go with Walmart. Click this Walmart. What they're doing? They're asking for data visualization. Minimum qualification, they would have given 1 year of bachelor experience, 2 years of experience in data analytics. Okay, apply. It will take you to the Walmart portal. Create an account. Apply it. What is there? What is there in this? Barclays, very good company. PayPal, very good company. Have you ever got this type of calls in your Naukri? Have you ever got this type of good companies in Naukri?
No, Santosh.
No, Santosh.
Is there anyone who got a call from Microsoft and Google from Naukri? Tell me directly.
No.
No.
Then I'm showing you the path. Just need to follow it. Search with your experience only. Data analytics. You are looking for specifically in Bangalore. Okay, you're specifically looking for Bangalore. Okay, and you're looking for an experience like, let's say, mid-level. Okay, I'm applying for data, remote role. Just click this. See, just go and search. I can still go and get 4,946 companies are looking for data analytics in Bangalore, and experience will be mid-level. See, almost 2K results are there. Deloitte, very good company. See, just go and apply it. Easy apply. Directly, I need to enter my name. I need to enter my phone number, and I'll give next, and I have to upload my resume. That's it. This is very easy. There are certain companies who will look for applying through their company. There are certain companies, they'll directly take your resume from your LinkedIn account. What else you need? It's very easy. Redbus. You all know Redbus is just an app, but you never know, even they use analytics. You can simply say that, hey, I'm working in Redbus. What they're looking for? They are looking for a BA developer. Just go and easy apply. Easy apply is even easier. It will take you 30 seconds of your time. You have 24 hours. In that, it is just going to take you 30 seconds. Okay. One, go here, fill it, upload your resume, next, submit. What is there? The difference between people who are getting calls and people who are not getting calls is just one difference, that you're not applying. You're not applying. See, I usually say this to all my students, especially when I'm taking class. Most of you would have been my students, and most of you maybe you are listening for me for the first time. Okay. Life has become so competitive now. Okay. Two things I'll tell you. People always say that knock the door of opportunity. Okay. Knock the door of opportunity. And I'm saying you bang the door of opportunity. I'm saying you bang the door of opportunity. Can anyone tell me the difference? Knock the door, bang the door. What is the difference? Knock the door, bang the door. What is the difference?
Polite way and impolite way. Knocking means it is polite way. Banging
No.
means it is.
No, any better example? What is
Do
the difference
hard.
between knock the door and bang the door?
Knocking is
Do
like
hard
Door is
till you
we are
get the
waiting
job.
for opportunity.
Sound enough. Beep.
Knocking door is waiting for opportunity.
Someone came and taking the door, and we are entering to the house. Knocking means Where
Break the
when we
door.
are bang means we have to break the door and we are entered to the opportunity.
You keep knocking the door every day one time. Knock, knock, knock. Again you come, knock it. Again you come, knock it. And you don't know when it will open. If you bang the door, the person who inside with a frustration, he should open the door. That should be your attitude. Life is so competitive. I'm telling you, people who are graduating out of the college know data science, data analytics, AI, IoT, and they know ChatGPT, how it works. Life has changed. Technologies have moved on. Right? And when I was in graduation, there was only computer science, electronics engineering, civil engineering. And today you have data science engineering, you have IoT engineering, you have cloud engineering, you have AI engineering. Things are not same like how it was 10 years back. Let's get adopted to what is happening in the market. Right? Let's get adopted. People are moving more. I mean, people are stamping you and going away. I'm not asking you to stamp again. Just be a competitive to them. Clearly, I've told you to apply for Google, it would have hardly taken 1 minute. And most of you know people who know SQL and Power BI doesn't even know how to apply, and that is where you stand. If you want to get opportunity, you have to bang the door. As simple as that. Don't wait for the people to call you. The first thing, whoever complains to me that I'm not getting calls, the first question I'll ask you is, are you active on LinkedIn? Whichever company you have a dream company, just go and search here. What is there? Just go and search here. Which company you want, you search here. Let's say I want to join PwC. PwC is also one of the good company. See here, search it. See how many roles I have. There are 163 roles only in PwC. And how many of you knew this? No one. Okay, so I request everyone to get your filters applied. Okay, what type of job, when it was posted, past month, past 24 hours, and choose a company. And people who are looking for a remote or a hybrid, just look for it. And if you want a very easy apply also, you can apply easily. Easy apply in the sense, directly you can go and apply through LinkedIn only. Okay, or else you have to go to a company portal. Okay, for example, here I will search it. Let's say I'm searching this. Okay, PwC I'll search. Easy apply, I'll not filter. See, if I go and search this, okay, for this company, I have to go to a company portal. So it will take you to the company portal. PwC is a company. Here you can apply. So basically they're looking for Kolkata. Anyone from North, you can apply for this. Okay, so this is about the jobs. Okay, so this is about the the main news feed. Okay, see again, Microsoft invests 24 million creating 80,000 jobs in Saudi Arabia. Microsoft has announced a 24 billion investment in Saudi Arabia, focusing on key areas to drive digital transformations. Every single information you will get it. I don't know whether you observed it or not. Just about when I was starting the session, I had sent request to this person. Yes, do you remember this person name? And see, just because he has liked this, I've got this post. Even I didn't knew this. Working in Microsoft, I didn't knew this. But just because this person has, I'm a connector. Now he has liked this, and see here. See, 6 minutes, he has reposted a document. 6 minutes. During the class itself, see what has happened. Are you with me? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So here you will get all the news information and start posting something. Okay, start posting something. You can post some images. I mean, you can post some content, or even if you have an interview questions, post for it. Okay, so let's say that I'll get some interview questions. I'll just get some interview questions. See what I'm going to do now. I don't know for how many people this will help. Just see here what I'm doing. Are you giving management round interview? Here you go. This could be very handy. There's all some data engineer questions. I'll remove those. Yeah. What is your current role? Describe your day-to-day activities. How do you trust the track? What is your strength and weakness? How do you overcome your conflicts? How do you upskill? Describe a situation where you're a different tough time. Did you work with the multiple clients? Do you have experience in handling team? What is your roles and responsibility? How big is your team? What process you follow? What do you see yourself in the next 3 years, 5 years? Why are you leaving this job? This role requires a different time zone. Are you aware? Okay, all good. Okay, now I'll post this here. I'll post it to everyone. All done. It hardly took me 1 minute. See here. Are you giving management round interview? Here you go. This could be very handy. All the best. And this will reach out to all my followers. This will reach to almost all my followers. I have 1003 followers. All this goes to them. There are 729 connections. And all of this goes to them. What is there? How long it took? And anyone can be benefited by this. Right? Now, this is what you can have it. And a lot of people, you can message them also. Okay. A lot of people, you can message them like whatever you have connected, they will send you an opportunity. So I don't know who is this person. Is saying that 85% of the business have AI. Would you like to take some AI tool? And there's a one person who is asking for me. See, they're from talent team. Okay. See, they're asking, will you join as a senior product manager? And see, I have not even responded them. They are reaching out to me. I am not reaching. They are seeing my profile and they're asking me, can you join for this company? What else you need? See, it's impressive how well you're building KSR. It speaks volumes about it. And he's asking just because he has gone through my profile, just because he has seen a KSR in my profile, and he's asking me, will you be part of XYZ? Exciting opportunity. Lot of people, lot of messages, you will get it. So this is a notification that you can also get it, right? See, already there is a person who has reacted. Just now I posted and already you can see a couple of people reaction, right? So it's all about how well you play with this LinkedIn. If you're using LinkedIn to the maximum, let me tell you, the opportunity is with you now. Opportunity is with you. All you need to do is use it effectively. Okay, post some, let's say that I have come up with some post. Let's say, imagine that I've done report. Okay, let's say I've done one report. Let's say I've done this report now. Okay, I'll open this report. Say I've done this report. I can simply post it in LinkedIn. Hey, hi, this is a KSR report. Any suggestions? Anything would I want to improve? I can ask this question and people will start responding to you. Right? And this is all something that you can make it effective. Whatever you want, you post it. Whatever you want, you post it. See, I don't know who these people are, but I'll approve it. Now, whatever I post, they'll get it. As simple as that. Okay, so please start exploring, add your profile as much as detail, make it impressive, start getting the connections. Make sure that by end of December, you need to have at least 2000 connections. Start following us, start following Mahesh, start following our KSR Vision post. Whatever we post, you will get it and use it effectively. And this is where you can send a request. This is where you can apply for jobs. This is, I've told you how to apply. Filter it based on title, skill, company, location, apply it. And people who want to reach out to, they'll directly reach out to you. Even if you don't want, they will reach out to you. See, they have sent this request 3 days back. I haven't even responded to them because I'm not in job, but you people are needing job. So you have to start using effectively. Okay, and most importantly, I'll tell you, Why all this is important? Because in terms of LinkedIn, HR professionals and recruiters use LinkedIn to search for potential candidates. They are using one tool called LinkedIn recruitment tool. Actually, I have a lot of friends who are actually working in LinkedIn. I know what these people are doing. HRs, I know a lot of HRs, what they're doing. I'm telling you. I'm telling you the clue also. They're using a tool called, okay, LRT, which is nothing but LinkedIn recruiter tool. There they will go and search with a keyword, Boolean search. They'll see what is your skills, how many of you are following, what is your headline, what is your title, how much activities that you have been part of it, where you belong to, and what is your connections. See, I'll simply one question I'll ask you, okay? One personal question I'll ask you. Imagine you're all not married. Imagine you're all not married. Okay. If you're a girl, you're looking for a boy. If you're a boy, you're looking for a girl. First thing what your parents will do is, are they going to look at a stranger and get you married? Or are they going to see within your circle, long relation, known relation, far relation? What is going to happen? A stranger or a long relation family? What is going to happen? What your parents are going to do? What your parents are going to do?
Long relation.
That's what even people will do, right? If HR from Microsoft is looking for a job, they'll see how you're connected with the Microsoft employees. If a TCS is looking for a job, the TCS HR will look how closely you're connected to TCS family. That is life, this is career. So HRs will look at the connections and networks. See, I'm telling you again, it's maybe you may feel, you may think that what is the Santosh is talking, but try to understand what I'm speaking. Importance of job search. The more and more you effectively search, you will get your dream jobs. On the screen in front of you, I am giving a live example how HRs is going to search. Depending on all this only, you'll get a job. Very openly, I have shown my profile also. Okay, so please use this. Okay, and one I can say is it will definitely increase your visibility. If today, if everyone knows Santosh, it is because of LinkedIn. It is because of things what I do. If tomorrow you want to get visible, start using LinkedIn. Okay, by creating a complete professional profile, you will be shown up in the search. And LinkedIn provides a direct access to job. It provides a direct. I've shown you how many jobs today we saw. How many jobs we saw. Directly I can go and apply on the company portal. The more and more you apply, the opportunities more you'll get. Don't rely only on Naukri. I'm not saying Naukri is bad. Naukri, they will call you. Here you can reach out to them. Highlighting your profile makes you as a standout employee. I'm giving you the roadmap. I have got all my dream companies. I worked in Amazon. I worked in Microsoft. Everything I've got in LinkedIn. Even KSR, I got through LinkedIn only. All the companies which I've worked through LinkedIn. I also got through normal Naukri also. But I don't want to go to a normal companies, TCS, HCL or Infosys, where I want to make myself as visible. So I did this. How much time it took? In the last 1 hour, how many things you learned today? You know skill, but you don't know how to apply. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Any questions?
No, Santosh, one question we have to apply directly to the companies. So yeah, actually I'm doing that, but I'm not receiving any calls from the companies.
If
So
you're
how
not,
many?
see, if you're
how-
not applying, if you're not getting the, see, for me, they have messaged, right? You have to build your profile in such a way they will reach out to you. So maybe you lack in activities. You're not posting anything. Tell me in the last 1 year, how many posts you have done?
Only a few. I mean, not countable. Only countable.
Then?
Yeah.
Then how you will get? You have to start reposting. You have to do something. You have to make your profile impactful. You have to have maximum connections. I'm telling you, right? They will search on your skills. They'll search on your activities. If you have not done activities, why they will send it?
So on an average, how many we can apply means per day? So 50 jobs we have to apply, or some 30 jobs we have to apply.
You can apply
So
as much as you can. Okay, it will show you the limit. Okay, you have done
Yeah.
with the limit. It will show you. Then you go apply for the next day. Then again apply for the next day. Keep applying. Make it use of it. And in fact, the most important thing is you have an app for this. Forget about website. Just like you before going to sleep, use LinkedIn. Start using like your daily activity tool. If you start using it, this is most important. See, a lot of people post some important things. I always spend some time on this. See, again, they're talking about Bangalore. What is the one thing worse that in the traffic in Bangalore? More traffic. A city where software engineers travel 2 hours to get their office so that they can create a delivery app which can deliver goods in 10 minutes. All the Swiggy, Zomato applications are built in are the people who build this software engineers, and they're taking 2 hours. What you see in Instagram, you're seeing here, right? But it could be more professional. I have taken over interviews of more than 50 candidates in the last 2 years, where around 22 were selected. These were the 5 common things of the so selected candidates. Good at Power BI, basic at modeling, try to fight back throughout 45 minutes of interview, confidence and communication, were able to explain the project, daily work and agile property. What is this? If you practice this, you will also get cleared. And the more you get, like it, connect it. I like this post, connect it. But just because this person is my connection, he has reposted it, and that is why I'm getting this connection. Now I like this post, I also sent a request. Now this person will not see my face and approve it. It's not a Facebook here. It's all about how you get connected. 81 people were in this batch. So by 2 days, I should see 81 requests. Can I get that?
I'm trying to search your name, but I don't see.
You can see on top of here, right?
already I'm in connection.
See here? You
I
just
typed
search
your
this,
name.
you will get it.
Back and you accepted, Santosh.
Yeah.
Santosh.
If you want, I can share you the link also. Okay.
Yes,
You can
please.
go. I'll share this link. Send it. And please follow KSR, Mahesh, and you can send it to me as well. Okay. And whatever we have, you will be able to learn a lot. Okay. Did you learn something on Sunday evening? Was the last 1 hour useful?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, what is the name of Ritesh sir, sir?
Ritesh. I don't know. I'll check and I'll send you. Okay. I don't know. I think I have not accepted his request as well. I'll ask him to send request, or I'll ask you to send in your class.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions on LinkedIn?
Yes, I have 2 questions.
Yes.
So while applying for the jobs, there will be a specific section called the skills. So in that skills, it should be more than 50% or 60% of the skills that should match, or it can be 20% and more. It's like performing in the interview, or how
See,
it is.
let me tell you, there is no one ever who's on this planet who knows everything. That's a fact. Whatever the company is asking, there is no one ever in this planet who knows everything. Not even a single person can match 100% of job description. Okay. If you know 50%, apply for it. Then they will ask, do you know this? No, I don't know this, but I'm ready to learn. That attitude is important. That learning attitude is important. 50%, if it is matching your skill, apply for it.
Okay. And I have one more question. And you was also telling about the posts and everything so that we can have the maximum connections and as well as will get more opportunities. Like what could you suggest some projects or something like how whatever we can do, post it on LinkedIn on
See,
an entire basis or
except I usually see in Facebook what you do, where you check in, where you check out, some jokes, some celebrities, some movies, and all your post, right? Except that you share something else here, like you can share some technical, like what is happening around the company, like how you can prepare, how you can apply, what is that one thing you have learned. Let's say, for example, you failed in last 5 interviews. You can post
Okay.
this. You can post that. I failed in the last 5 interviews. Here is the mistake I've done. Please correct it. That's a post.
Okay.
That's a post. Post anything what you feel like, but don't go in such a way that nowadays LinkedIn is also getting such things which you can see in Facebook, but let's keep it professional. Whatever you want, you post it, but try to be more active. Daily one post, try to be actively, you can start using it. Okay, anything you put, what you put in Instagram and Facebook, put it here, but try to make sure it is towards a professionalism and technical things.
Okay. And one, yeah, like I want to be like a specific thing, like if I want to improve on the finance projects or anything like that. So like from where I can get so those the data and then those things like effectively like that I can put it on LinkedIn
Yes,
likewise.
absolutely. Whatever you have done, any report. See, I'll show you one example. Okay. I'll show you one example. See, Suparna is one of our student. Okay. He is one of our previous batch.
Okay.
See, the same profile he has put. Okay. The way I have put, right? If you see my profile, you can also see data is life. Okay, he has just referred. If you can see, Suparna Babu is one person whom I want to show as an example. I don't know whether he is in this class today. I don't know if he's in the class today, but I want to give as an example. The person who had been a student never knew how to use LinkedIn. And today, if I go and see his post, see how many posts he has done. 8 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 21 hours ago, 4 days ago. He has again posted some about KSR. See how many posts he has done. He's just sharing. Okay, he's sharing again. If CJ is hiring as a Power BI role, he's sharing so that it will reach out to a lot of our students.
Okay.
See, this is not technical, but he still starts speaking about what is important, right? You can see a lot of things he has posted. Make an habit, whatever you do, a report, post it here. If you feel like, okay, Power BI has come up with some updates, data engineering has come up updates, see how many posts he has done.
Okay.
And today, if you see, he has, don't think we can see that, but he has a lot of followers. And we have 105 mutual connections, means then see how many people we have following both.
Okay.
He is a person who is our student, who has never used LinkedIn. And now you see how many posts he has done. Whatever report you do, whatever content you do, whatever example, anything you learn newly, go and post it. Try to rate a lot of people, right? See, one thing I'll tell you, I'll also show you my post. I was not that active, but I'll show you. Imagine that I have posted few things. Okay, just now I posted this, right? Already it has reached out to this many people.
Okay.
So 38 unique people have already watched this. So 8 reactions, 0 comments, 1 repost. So you need to have lot of reposts. You need to have lot of reactions. You need to have lot of impressions. So do this. The more and more you do this, let's say I have 5 days back, I posted one for KSR has organized one hackathon. So if you have time, you can go through it and we can apply for this. Okay, say I'll show you this. How many people have visited? 343. right? And we have got 15 reactions, 2 comments.
Okay.
Who has seen my profile? That also I can see. So the more and more you have, the more and more you will have the visibility.
Okay.
Anything, see, let's say this is a competition that we have organized hackathon. So go through this. If you're a BI developer, apply for it. What you need to do, I have told you there. And post it in your LinkedIn wall.
Okay.
You're branding yourself, as simple as that.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Any questions?
Yeah, hello Santosh.
Yes.
Myself Sai Kumar.
Hmm.
I have posted one question in chat box actually. I'm a working professional. As a part-time, I work as a Excel trainer actually. So
Hmm.
I work for a corporate trainings also.
Hmm.
But how do I show my profile as a trainer? Because now my profile is completely my work experience, all the things I have mentioned about my past experience and my skills.
I'll tell you one thing. Nowadays there is a issue that is happening like a moonlighting. Okay, so
Yeah,
for me, both the sites have got a green signal. Microsoft is also okay to teach me, and KSR is also okay to take me as a trainer. So that's why I posted both. But you have to take your permission if you are posting as a trainer also. So just check with your organization. If your HRs are okay, go for it. If your HRs are say no, you cannot teach there. You're already working employee. You're a full-time employee there. You cannot go and apply. Then please don't do it. So I've taken the permission from my HRs and then I've posted it. But you have to take a call. So just don't get into other things you can put. I know this, I know Excel. You can post some Excel topics, Excel documentation. You can put Excel interview questions. You can put some Excel magics. You can put shortcuts. You can put, do whatever you want. But if you want to mention as a trainer means, then you have to take your permission because you're already your full-time employee in one company, right?
yes. Okay,
I have took
thank
the
you.
permission. That's why I have added. But you have to take a call.
Yeah, it's so difficult. So let's continue with the same thing then.
Yeah. It's better you post some Excel topics, no?
Yeah, I'll do that. Thank you.
So can I see all 80 requests by today? Yes?
Yes.
So please follow our team. Okay, follow our Mahesh, follow KSR page and follow me. In case if there is any details that will directly be posted here and you'll get benefited. Okay. If you still have any questions, message tab is open. You can see that all the messages I've read. Okay, and if I open my WhatsApp, and you will never see any messages read. Okay, you'll never see any messages read. I'll show you. If you want, I can directly show you. And you can see how many messages I've read here. See, 85, 1, not read. I have not read all this, but see here. That's how I use LinkedIn. If I open my WhatsApp, you can see minimum 400, 500 messages not read. If I open my Instagram, you'll see 405 messages not read. But if you see 0 messages unread, as simple as that. I'm telling you what I am doing. It's a roadmap that I'm giving. Whether you want to follow the roadmap, it's up to your mindset. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. With this, thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope this has somehow benefited, and I hope to see you in LinkedIn. Okay. If you don't have any questions, we'll stop here. Thank you.